one way to make sure that you have an awesome sounding mix is to make sure that you have your production right first. This song hasn't been mixed yet, but as we go through, you'll see how the production actually makes the mix so much easier by adding these few elements in first. All right, tip number 6, the last one of the week, is going to be epic harmonies. Okay, so this is what I mean. We're going to look at the last chorus, and my face is in the way. Oh, well. For this song. And here's the harmonies that I already have put in place. At the very end of this song, it kind of goes into this halftime, final crescendo, if you will. I don't know if that's the right term, but we'll go ahead and use it. So they have this nice little harmonies at the end there. I'm going to break this down for you. This is actually really simple. I only have one harmony that I'm actually using in this. You'll have this high harmony that's just me, singing away. Doesn't sound that great, but, it's kind of hidden in there. I have this other vocal. It's actually a unison of the one we just listened to. That's just a falsetto version of that same thing. It gives it an extra quality. This is actually a little bit louder in the mix, but it just gives that little sparkle, and it sounds like there's more harmonies than there actually is just by adding this different voicing of the same note. We're like an abalone. So here's that with the prior one. So you can kind of tell it's already sounding different, even though it's the same exact note. And then the last one I have, oops, not mute. Let's unsolo that. Solo these last ones here. And this is just going to be the same thing, just an octave lower. We're like an abalone. So not that exciting, but together. We're like an abalone. Sounds awesome. Here's with all the vocals in. We're like an abalone. So, sounds really full. Here's the whole mix again. We're like an abalone. We're like an abalone. So, when you're in your production, make sure you get some different voicings in your harmonies if you want it to sound bigger and more epic. If you want to get that wide sound like I have here, make sure that you record doubles of each of those. I would recommend that anyway, in case your mix engineer wants to use those. But overall, make sure you have enough harmonies, make sure you have enough voicings of those harmonies to get the sound that you want. I'm not going to say any more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.